when you finish the what to do during the day and what to do during the night sections, you can move on to the what to do featured events section. This is a little bit different to the what to do during the day and during the night sections, because instead of having a paginated post, a post with lots of pages, each of the subsections, these subsections here, in the featured events is just going to have its own post. So I'll show you how to do that now. Let's go ahead and do it. This one, because it's the London Olympic Games, I'm going to leave this one out because that's in the past. We only really want events that are happening annually, every year. So I'll just create this Wimbledon one, and because it's a post, you just do each one separately. Just do each post separately. So I'll just do this Wimbledon post. So I'll just copy this text. Go into add new post in the development website, WP admin. Go into this tool, text fixer, paste the text in, remove the line breaks, copy the text, go back, paste that text in. Wimbledon, if you get formatting like that, just make sure it's formatted correctly with up and down, upper and lower case all over the place. Okay, and then let's just format this. So you've got a few different things here. You've got, I just clicked on a link by accident. You've got a heading, you've got a date, address or contact details, and paragraph and an image. So let's just go back to our post. The first thing, of course, as well is for the events, always select the events category as well as the city of the destination guide that you're copying the text from. So I'm doing London. So events category and the city name for the category. And again, as always, if you see this down there, change that to 3, maximum 3 revisions. Right, now back to formatting the text. Hit return. Find the end of each line of the address, contact details. So here's the end of that one, and shift return, phone, shift return, email, shift return, web address, end of the address, full return. Find the first sentence end, so you can separate that from the rest of the text. And then we'll grab this address information, cut that, delete that space, paste that in the end there, and let's just create a space above date where we can put our image. Go onto the Phoenix server, find your cropped images that you've created, or crop it as you go. I've already cropped mine, so it should be an events, featured events, and Wimbledon lawn tennis logo. If we just delete those hyphens, don't want them. And then again with the alternate text, just describe exactly what you see. Wimbledon Championships logo, leafy hedge, and we use that as the featured image, and we're inserted to the post right and full size. Full size because this one is actually cropped down to the dimensions of a large one, so we're going to put that in as full size. Okay, next highlight this. This is the date of the event, and we're just going to style that as classification. Highlight the first sentence as always, and we're going to select first sentence highlighted. Highlight the address, and you can see that's a VIP contact. We'll change that to address and VIP contact like that. And that's about it. So now we can publish that. And because that's an event, it will come out a little bit differently. So if we go into London, and you can see that's fed in, we've got a featured image fed into there. When the website's completely finished, we won't feed events into here. We'll be feeding events down here, but for the moment there, it's feeding in here. And it is slightly different, slightly differently formatted. You've got the time comes right under the name of the event there. But that's all come on nicely. And because it's not paginated, we don't have the page numbers. And that's it. That's just so you just go through all the events, and you could ignore the introduction because you're just going to do each event separately. So each of these, you won't usually have something like this, but you'll have all these annual events like this, annually, annually, annually. All of these are annual events, and just add all of these each as separate posts, and that's it. Events done.